open some blind boxes with me. So today we're gonna be unboxing some of the Pop Mart stuffs that I bought. These are my Happy blind boxes. I thought it's kind of bigger than this one, but it's okay. Nung dumating to, it's sira na yung box, and I was really hoping na hindi siya damaged. But look. Tada! Yung isang box is damaged. Hopefully, hindi na sira na sa loob. Sirang-sira siya. So, ayun. Grabe pagkadat, guys. So, anyways, I bought 3 of these Hachipupu 3 constellations. Here's what the box looks like. Ito naman yung itsura ng box pag dumating sa inyo na damage. So, yeah. Like, ayan si Hachipupu. Ang cute. And there's 12 designs in this secret. I want to have the Gemini, Leo, the Capricornus, Libra as well, Aries, because it is so cute. Let's start with this box. Super liit lang nga niya. I thought it's a little bit bigger, parang size ng Nomi, but it's actually small and tiny. Red. Oh, yung Gemini. Oh, it's not that bad. It's actually cute. So, ayan. It's kind of tiny, but it's not that bad. Kasi, pwede ko siyang isama sa mga bags ko pa rin. Even I have the Bubu already sa bag ko. And this is the Gemini. I don't know if you guys can see, pero parang siyang may sipon. Hachipupu. Oh, sino to? It's Aquarius. It's not one of my prios, honestly, but still looks cute. And parang bagay naman siya kahit saan because it's mostly white. Meron siyang tears eh. Then yung sipon ulit. So, I got 2 cards. Last but not the least, yung sirang box na dumating. So, pag ito yung secret, kasi sira yung box, ewan ko na lang. Sana hindi na sira na sa loob. Wow, it is so cute. One of my prios as well. This is the Libra. Cute ng star and moon. And nakapikit siya. Yeah. So, I'm honestly happy with my pools. Ako si Gemini, si Aquarius, and si Libra. So, at least I got a couple of my prio. And I'm so happy about that. Ang cute nila, guys. So, yun lang. Thanks for watching.